from Poland, Ireland, Italy, Spain, even people from England came to Merthyr Tydfil to live. And although the ironworks has long since gone, the legacy of Merthyr Tydfil's melting pot of cultures still remains. A quick glance through the telephone book will show you names such as Estebanez and street names, Newfoundland Terrace.
History is all around. Merthyr's football ground is built on the site of a Roman fort.
Even as I speak, I am walking in the footsteps of the Roman centurions. They happened across this hallowed piece of turf in, it must have been August, I think, 86 AD, somewhere around there, when the opposition was a bit stiffer and they were lucky to come away with a draw, really. But if the Romans were the first Italians to come to Merthyr Tydfil, they certainly weren't the last. On my head.
Lisa Barsi was born and bred in Merthyr. She went to school on the Givnos estate. What a haircut. Always had a yearning to go on the stage, and this must have been the punk era. She's frighteningly fit and works as a nursing advisor for epilepsy.
My grandfather's Italian. He came from Bardi, which is where most of the Italian immigrants in Merthyr come from. And he started working for Bernie. Bernie had their first restaurant in Merthyr.
Is this silly?
It's Burger King now.
Well, this is a lot for Cafe Society, isn't it? What about this Bardi bus that goes from South Wales?
There is a bus coming over, mini bus coming over, especially in the summer, and it's very handy for the old people. You know, he picks them up outside the door by ear and he drops them outside the door out there.
Do you find that the younger generation want to go back to Bardi?
Yeah, they do want to go back because I think the life is better there than it is here at the moment.
Maybe it's time to open Welsh cafes in Bardi now, do you think?
No, I don't think so. It's a lot of cafes there, and it is a Welsh town, Bardi, anyway.